Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I had something else in mind, but like not something really else in mind. Like I wanted to do a hot pink eye with black smoky eyes, not a proper smoky eye, but a black smoky liner. And this is what I could do. If you like what I have created here and if you want to watch how I created it, then please continue watching. Hello, and we're gonna start with it. I'm so excited and nervous. I was so indecisive of this look because I was planning to do a one dip challenge and I was so confused. I just called up my best friend and I was like, listen, you have 10 seconds. Just tell me what do I do. And then she was like, I like the second idea more. I was like, okay, cut the phone right now. I don't want to flip my mind again. Like, that's how crazy I go. I've already moisturized my skin, but I'm gonna do it again with the famous Cetaphil. But it's not the damp one, it's for the oily skin, so I'm gonna put more. I have been using a product since, if you remember, I broke my facial oil, and that was the Nykaa facial potion something, acne prone, the one in the mint bottle that comes in a mint bottle. वो टूट गया था पूरा मुझसे. So then I ordered this vitamin C brightening face and body oil infused with vitamin C, E, antioxidant rich cold pressed natural oils. This is from Saint Botanica, and I have used their products, like I've used their face wash, and I think that's it. But I really like the face wash. It is not, I wouldn't say it's a very low budget brand, it's not, but I think it works great for me. Like, this is a face and body oil. I could use it for, just make my body shine, look all greasy and sexy. So I'm gonna use this. Basically, I'm gonna use this on my face. And being the clumsy person I am, I have to be very careful. I will take 3 pumps. I've already taken 3 pumps. And I'm just gonna warm it up haath pe. And then you might think this looks crazy right now, but the way my skin is, like, itna dry that it will just soak up sara oil away. I would just let it sit. I would just let it sit for 5 minutes and then. So, I just realized that I was planning to do a hot pink eye, and I don't have a hot pink eyeshadow. Why would I decide something like that? Like, why would I have that level of confidence कि वो तो होगा ही? कैसे है? मतलब इतना ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट इंसान नहीं होना चाहिए लाइफ में कि अबे अबे ये तो होगा ही. नहीं है. अब जो भी है, we have to work with that only. I mean, it might not turn out the way I thought in my head, but I'll just try and start with the base. I'm gonna take. God, this is so funny. This is actually really funny. मतलब तुम ऐसा आई लुक बना रहे हो जो कलर नहीं है तुम्हारे पास. कहाँ से आता है मेरे में इतना ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस? I'm using the Makeup Revolution foundation stick and I'm in the shade F8. मेरा verdict इस पे ये है कि dry skin girls, buy it. It melts like butter. मतलब मुझे लगा था कि स्टिक है तो स्टिक थोड़ा ड्राई स्किन के लिए अच्छा नहीं रहेगा, बट दैट इज इन द केस विद दिस फाउंडेशन. आई विल शो यू. Let me come closer to you. मेरे द ओनली रीज़न मैं अपना वैनिटी टूर नहीं कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मुझे नहीं लगता कि देर इज समथिंग सो वाओ दैट यू वुड वॉन्ट टू सी. एंड आई एम नॉट बीइंग मॉडेस्ट हियर, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द ट्रूथ. इट्स नॉट लाइक समथिंग वेरी ह्यूज. दूसरा रीज़न है मेरी मम्मी, बिकॉज मेरी मम्मी के हिसाब से मेरे पास जितना मेकअप है सॉरी, my snowphilia gets to another level when it's winters. Like, mom is like कि क्या क्या करूँगी तुम्हें सबका जो यूज़ का है बस वो लिया करो. I'm like, सब यूज़ का है ब्रो, एंड जिस हिसाब से मैं एक ख़राब कर रही हूँ, she'll throw me out of the house guys. मुझे घर से बाहर निकाला जाएगा बहुत जल्दी. How do I look? Oh, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light. I don't want to use the Bahama Mama. I want to use this shade because this is darker and I love that bronzy look. I'm all about bronzing. And you really have to watch my 32 facts about me video because you'll get to know me really. ऐसे insight आपको एक insight मिलेगा बहुत close लोगों से मेरी life के. मैंने एक चीज़ notice करी है, become so much bronzer lover, like too much हो जाता है मेरा, but अच्छा लगता है मुझे, somehow like it. अब मैं वो एरियाज पाउडर कर रही हूँ हल्के से वेरी लाइट हैंडेडली जो कि स्वेट करते हैं, लाइक हियर एंड once again if I have something like oh, I do but उससे पहले मैं एक छोटी सी चीज़ करूँगी, छोटी सी चीज़ that I do every time. I'm taking a clean brush, I'm taking थोड़ा सा bronzer and I'm just trying to bronze my nose a little, not very precisely, but I just told you that I like the bronze look. Now I will take it here. हम 3 अलग पैलेट्स यूज करेंगे बिकॉज एक में तो कलर नहीं है. So I'm using the Kylie Jenner palette and we are going to use this pink. I'm going to use this pink. First just let me see कौन सा pink is the darkest bro. I think Flamingo is the darkest, yeah. Okay, I have one in the Makeup Revolution, I have one in the Huda Beauty Rose Gold, and I have one in the Kylie. So let's begin, girls. Let's begin. I'm gonna start with the Kylie shade because I know that is not very pigmented, so I can work with it. So I'm taking a brush. Start building it up everywhere. I'm gonna put it everywhere. पूरे crease, lid, सब जगह लगा लो. Take a break here because I feel like having something meetha. I'm PMSing guys. क्या टाइमिंग ही ऐसा होता है. मैं क्या करूँ? I'm about to get my chums. I'm PMSing. I want to eat something मीठा. वैसलीन लगाती हूँ मैं अपनी ने जो झूठे मेरे पे ये जो तोहमतें लगाई हैं मेरी दोस्त ने. ये देखिए मैं क्या लगा रही हूँ. Obsessed with lip balms. I am back. I just had 3 brownies. Now we are going to take the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and I'm going to just repeat what I just did. I'm going to take the same brush, take the Flamingo shade here. Now we'll come to the Makeup Revolution kit. This is the Ultra Eye Shadows. It has all these एकदम जिंटाक but ज़्यादा pigment भी तो चाहिए. I'm taking the hot pink shade and I'm going crazy with it. Crazy baby. I swear अगर ये ऐसा लगा ना मतलब मैं पागल हो जाऊंगी खुशी से. Did it make any difference? Because I'm swirling the out of it. Imagine. I think this works better. मैं blending brush लेकर उसको रख रही हूँ. So smart.
Blend तो अब मैंने करनी ही नहीं है, जैसे है वैसे रहेगा. What is blending? I'm gonna just place it and forget about it, guys.
Blend तो करना पड़ेगा guys. और हम blend करेंगे Flamingo से. I don't want any harsh lines. This eye needs a lot of blending. take my favorite highlighter, which is the Flower Beauty highlighter, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. What color should I go with? I think silver would look better with pink. What if I try golden this? We'll decide later. नहीं हो रहा अभी. Shimmer. I don't know कौन से brand का काजल है, but it's just अब इतना सा बचा है, I can't read, so I'm gonna use it ऐसे smudger की तरह, like a liner. I would use it, and I would use it थोड़ा precisely, not creating a very heavy smoky eye. Just eyelashes के ऊपर I'm gonna create a thick line. That's it. That's what I'm gonna do. If you can see me. I think golden is looking better. Now I'll take a black eyeshadow and I'll smudge it all. मतलब not ऊपर तक, बस जहाँ पर मैंने black काजल लगाया है. I'm taking the shade Flamingo and I'm putting it on my lower lash line. One advice I would give you, do not do it after your base. I had to remove all this part and I just applied my concealer just once and I was just done with it. तो पहले please ice कर लेना cause बहुत fallout हुआ and it was all black here. So I had to like remove it and then do it again, which really annoyed me. And the reason I'm using Flamingo from the Huda Beauty is cause it is from the Huda Beauty. मेरे अंदर फिर से हिम्मत नहीं है fallout देखने की और. So I know there is very little. Guys, I'm just sorry. These are just not my days. Like I've lost it completely. I'm really sorry. So I'm just gonna like थोड़ा सा presentable बनने के लिए I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm just trying to hide this mess that I made. I've lost my head. मतलब सब गिर रहा है, सब टूट फूट रहा है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या हो रहा है. I just don't know. I think I just lost it in between. I kid you not, I was zoned out for good 15-20 minutes. I was like zoned out. It is so weird for me to, you know, upload a funny video someday and the other days I'm like pushing myself to do something I love so much, and even then I'm just blacking out. Like I was just sitting and I just couldn't process कि मैं कर क्या रही हूँ. Like what am I doing? What am I supposed to do? I was just processing it because I just lost it in between. And खराब जब हो गया था तो I was so irritated. I was just about to like remove everything because I felt like crying. But I was like यार ये बार बार नहीं चल सकता. Mess up होंगे, makeup खराब होगा, and I'll have to deal with it like a bloody sport. Like I can't always like lose it just because the makeup is not going good once, because it is gonna happen so many times. And I'm taking the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. Oh, you had to apply blush. I just don't know. I'm sorry. I'm not acting like myself because I'm not right now. I think we'll go with baby pink or something. This is like such a effed up situation. I mean, I have to deal with it. I have to do something about it on my own because nobody is gonna understand this, and I can't, like, I don't use it like an excuse, but then it's just in front of you. It was just that today I could gather the courage to actually talk about it and not just go back to bed and cry like I usually do. And very soon I'm gonna make a video on mental health because I think that's the need of the hour. I'm bored of my hairstyles. Like I don't know how to do hairstyles. Kuch different, kuch something. I'll try and make a high pony today because my hair is a bit tad oily So I'll try to make a pony if it lifts up my face. And so yeah, it's time to put on some earrings and lipstick, but first we go with lipstick. And I would like to go with something very light pink, like not even pink, matlab lightest pink I have. I'm searching for that. This is the In Color Matte Me range, and the name is N422. So yeah, it's exactly not what I thought in my head, but yeah, mascara bhi reh gaya hai. I'm sorry guys, I will just do it. I think I should put my lip balm first because these are super matte lipsticks and you want your lips to be very hydrated because they can become very cracky and they're very inexpensive also. Okay, I'm back with the mascara and I'm not going to use any lashes because I just like it like this. And if you want, you can totally put some lashes. And I know I'm not even trying to be funny today because it's just not coming. So yeah, I'm taking this Matte Me shade. This is a pale, pale, pale pink color. Okay guys, so that was all about it. I know it wasn't a fun video to watch, but yeah, I'm sorry, I tried my best. And it was a very random video, like I had no idea. I was really confused and it was just a random thought that just popped into my head and I thought of making it. I am sorry for just zoning out in between in the middle of nowhere, and I know that I mean, now when I see it as a job, I have to, up my game, but sometimes it's just not in my hands to control it, and that's why. And I just don't want to show you the only the good side that is happening, because as you know that I have been extremely transparent with you all, and I want to show you the good side, the bad side, the reality basically. So I think my next video would be on mental health because it's been a while and I really need to talk about some issues like bipolar depression and anxiety. For sure, like really. And also about how you can help people you love who are dealing with it. So yeah, that's about it. And I love you all. Thank you so much for investing your time and watching my videos. It really means a lot to me. And it's only because of you guys that I feel so motivated and, encouraged. And yeah, without you guys, I'm nothing. So I really love you and I'm gonna see you very soon.